Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Arvind Yadav, and today in this video I will explain the economics topics, and this is a part number 2. So start video about me, myself Arvind Yadav, and so start the first question. The slack session of Indian economy. The slack session of Indian economy, whose tenure is January to June. January to June is known as a slack economy. So move next question. Consider the following statement: that national wide scheme is a national child labor project. National wide child labor project is run by the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Improvement. This is a correct option. Guru Padeswarai committee deal with issue of child labor. The issue of child labor deal by the Guru Prasad committee. So here is correct answer is child labor. So his correct option is option number B. The option is B is correct. So move next question. The Indian wage policy is based on the cost of living. The option A is correct. So move next question. Unemployment is occur in move on the job is related to job. This is a called as a frictional unemployment. So move next question. Which type of unemployment mostly found in India can be characterized? The India is characterized in frictional economy. So move next question. The unemployment mainly related to agriculture sector, rural sector and factory sector. The here is agriculture sector correct and rural sector also correct. Option 1 and 2 is correct. So we move to next question. On the region of the Indian occupational structure remaining the more and less is same over the year has been the most of prepare is the one of the correct answer is productivity agriculture, which enough induces people stay in the agriculture. Large unaware significant transition in the agriculture sector is in the industry. So here is productivity of agriculture is induced stay in the agriculture. So move next question. Which of the following is correct? And the bulk of unemployment is India in rural area, correct, and disgusting unemployment in the agriculture sector and perennial. It is also correct. Industrialization returned to several people in jobless in India. This is wrong. So first and second is 2. Move to next question. Among the region of disgusting unemployment India in the rural area, though among the disgusting the choice of a heavy industry model of economic development, this is wrong, and low level of technology development in country, this is correct, and heavy pressure of population allowed to the implemented, the wrong, and high illiteracy rate. So option B is correct. So move next question. Unemployment in developed countries generally taking place due to the unemployment in developing countries generally take place due to the factor of production. The due to factor of production होता है, the lack of complementary and factor of production. Any option B D is correct. So move to next question. The cyclic unemployment refer to the seasonal unemployment, disgusting unemployment, voluntary unemployment, cyclic the unemployment during the recession and phase of trade of cycle. Any option D is correct. So move to next question. Person who is a poverty line India in classified such as based on the person who is a poverty line in India is classified as the based on the option 13 is they are belong to agriculture and labor household and scheduled caste and tribe in social group. This is a wrong, and they get work they get work and agriculture labor. It is wrong. They enlisted the minimum prescribed and food advocate. The poverty line is classified such as. The option A is correct. So move to next question. Which of the committee is recommendation being the following estimated the poverty line of India? The which of the committee is recommended by poverty line of India? It's Lokhandwala committee. So move to next question. Absolute poverty. Absolute poverty is the poverty in terms of absolute number. In terms of absolute number of people, poverty in terms of basis of minimum calorie requirement, poverty in terms of privilege price level, and poverty in terms of absolute level of unemployment. So here poverty in terms of absolute number of people is wrong. Poverty in terms of basic of minimum calorie, this is correct. Poverty in terms of prevailing price level is wrong, and poverty in terms of absolute labor employment is wrong. So option B is correct. So move to next question. Among the following eligibility to benefit the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Guarantee Act, the adult member in scheduled caste is in tribes household, adult member in below poverty line household. This is adult member household in all the backward community, adult member in any household. The Mahatma Gandhi Rozgar Guarantee Yojana is adult member of any household, and option D is correct. So move to next question. Poverty gap. Poverty gap is a difference between the poverty line and actual income level of all those living below the line. The option A is correct. Gap between the rich and poor is wrong. Gap between the developed nation and developing nation wrong. And gap the infrastructure facility between the developed and developed nation. So D also wrong. So here correct option is option A is correct. So move to next question. Consider the following significant and refer to Indira Gandhi National significant and refer to Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme. The Indira Gandhi Old Age Pension Scheme is referred to the all person who is 65 years old and belong to household and poverty line in rural area. Eligibility wrong. Indira central assistance under the scheme is rate of 300 per month, and beneficiary under scheme of state has been argued in the match amount. So B is correct. Here is correct option is only 2 correct. So move next question. The which among the following is not a regard of Sampurn Gramin Rozgar Yojana. The Sampurn Gramin Rozgar Yojana is in the case of component of program is Brown executive in central government. The wrong. And food grain provide the free and cost of state and union territory. The two is correct here. Option B is only. Consider the following statement each. The Hariyali is water household development project is sponsored by the central government. The option Hariyali also aims the involving the urban production in the conservation of rainwater. So option 1 is correct and option 2 is wrong. Here is option A is only 1 correct. Food of the work program is or rename of rural landless unemployment guarantee program is the food work program. Food work program is renamed. Food work program is renamed as a rural landless unemployment guarantee program. A national rural employment program, Jawahar Rozgar and integrated Rozgar. The here correct option is B, national rural unemployment program. So move to next question. Pradhan Mantri Gram Uday Yojana is aim of. Pradhan Mantri Gram Uday Yojana is aim of. The Pradhan meeting the rural like primary education, health care, drinking water, household road in India. The meeting the rural needs like primary education, health care, drinking water, household and rural road. The option A is correct. Allowing the poverty in micro enterprises wrong. Generating the unemployment in rural area wrong. And strengthening the Panchayati Raj in rural area is also wrong. So option 1 is correct. So move to next question. DWCRA stand for तो DWCA स्टेट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट वेलफेयर एंड कैचमेंट रूरल एरिया। तो ऑप्शन 1 इज करेक्ट। Which of the following is ReWave and Integrated Rural Development Program? ReWave and Integrated Development Program. The option is uplift the poor people. ReWave and Integrated Rural Development Program. The ReWave Development Program for uplift the poor people is based on Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana. So move to next question. Which of the main objective of Antoday program? The Antoday program is main objective of the uplift the poor and uplift the urban area, not uplift the farmer, not uplift the landless labor, not. So option 1 is correct. So move to next question. Main objective. Which of the following scheme has been Government of India in reaching the livelihood security and rural area guaranteed days employment in whose adult member volunteer enlisted skill manual work? So here correct answer is मनरेगा। तो मनरेगा इज गारंटी द 100 डे रोजगार गारंटी की फाइनेंशियल ईयर में 100 डे रोजगार गारंटी देने की बात है मनरेगा में। महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रोजगार गारंटी योजना इज महात्मा गांधी रोजगार गारंटी योजना इज नेम नरेगा name rename is Manrega in 2009 and Manrega start in 2005. So Manrega is correct option. So move to next question. Swर्ण जयंती of Swa Rozgar Yojana comes into the being. The स्वर्ण रोजगार जयंती in स्वर्ण, तो स्वर्ण जयंती रोजगार इन अप्रैल 1999 अप्रैल 1919 में स्वर्ण जयंती स्वरोजगार योजना कम्स इन। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो।